my card somewhere. I'm not sure where.
Gotcha.
When the card declined, she shared, "Oh, I'm in a hurry. Never mind. I'll just come back later." And she quickly disappeared. And then they just stood right over there.
What is this for? I'm confused.
Because the card that was used in that transaction was stolen.
Oh no, I don't have a card. I don't have my ID.
On November 9th, 2024, a retail credit card fraud investigation produced roughly 28 minutes of body-worn camera footage. Every police encounter occupies one of three legal tiers. A consensual encounter requires nothing. An investigative detention requires reasonable articulable suspicion. An arrest requires probable cause.
My card somewhere. I'm not sure where. And I was like shopping here. I didn't buy anything. And then I look at my phone and my credit card is like, "Are you trying to buy from the Louis V store? $3,870.
How much was it?
$3,870. And I was standing there and I'm like, no, like reject, like whatever. And so my first thought is just come here to tell them, see if we can find the person who did it. And I just went in and told them like, hey, it's not me, obviously I'm not in the store. Rejected it. And then I saw like other transactions, and then I started like declining them, but they went through. The other one was, I don't know, I went away from my phone. I don't know why. The Louis V one went away, and the other one that stuck that I think went through is for Nordstrom for 1,000 something.
That one did go through.
It did go through. And so I was gonna go to Nordstrom, and I started going that way, then realized it was that way. And then I came back and asked them if they knew, and then they started giving me all the information.
Okay. Did they say that the person who did they know who she was, or he?
No, then they said like, oh, I did like stay here, and then sorry, I'm nervous.
Yeah.
And then they said that they think they saw it on camera, and then the girl asked me my name, and I told her my name, and she's like, yeah, that's the name they gave. And then they told me to just kind of stay here because I don't want.
Who did you speak to?
First I spoke to one of the salespersons in the Louis V store, and then I think he's the manager, and then the security guy came in.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Do you have your ID with you?
Yeah.
And how much was the one from Nordstrom that actually did go through?
I can't remember, but I can let you know. It was 1,000 something. And it's weird because now, oh, here you go. 1,015. That was the only, and then the other ones that I rejected
88 cents.
disappeared.
Gotcha. Okay, because they,
I guess they didn't go through or something.
Right.
So this is the only one that's stuck there.
And what kind of bank was what? Citibank?
This is Citibank, yeah.
So Citibank card?
It's an American Airlines credit card through Citibank.
Okay, gotcha. And what does it look like? So is it American Airlines
yeah,
on it?
This is literally the picture of the car, like it's gray.
Okay, perfect. So
and
it says
my name here.
A Advantage.
Yep.
Got it. What's the last? Did it have the last four? Like the number?
I just locked it.
Yes. All right, perfect. And you swear everything you told me is true?
Yeah.
Alrighty. And what time did you last use it? Do you remember?
Last time I used this credit card was last night at the Latin market. But
okay, but did you have it here? Do you think you had it
I did have it here.
You did have it here, but somehow you...
So I lost it either in the parking lot, because when I got out of my car, my wallet was open and everything fell. But I remember grabbing it. I remember grabbing everything.
Right.
Or I did go to the Abercrombie store to make a return, and I took everything out.
Okay.
So it could have been there. It could have been at the parking lot. And I also went to Zara and also did a return.
Gotcha. So different places here. So
those are the three places that I went to.
All right, perfect. Yeah, just give me 1 second. Let me figure out, okay? So she's in there right now trying to make another purchase. Okay, gotcha. Which lady is it? Can you? Okay. Gotcha. I'm curious to see.
She made a purchase at 4038. She said her name was Laura.
Gotcha, which is her.
She walked in, said that my card was declined, and then she walked in.
Okay. Gotcha.
The question is, she got the card, because I think he's making the purchase now, not her. So, I think the purchase was made herself.
Yeah, that actually did go through. So perfect. And how do we know for sure that that was her that made it?
So they only had one declined credit card, and it was her.
Gotcha. I guess one of the salesperson told you.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. So the store manager told me that this was the only declined credit card.
Gotcha. Can you just get the store manager for? I don't want to walk in and spook her, or I don't know if he's in front. Call you just real quick. Call to him right quick, and then I'll try to make contact with him. Yeah. Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Store manager?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me your part. So how did you get involved?
So the client that you just spoke with,
Yep.
filed the report, she came into the store and said, I just had a charge for this amount, $3,870, that I declined. Like I got a fraud alert on my thing, and I declined it, and it happened here in Louis Vuitton. So someone had stolen my card, and then they came to the store.
Okay.
At like literally moments before she walked in, we had just declined the transaction for that exact amount.
Were you a part of that transaction?
I was not.
You was not? Okay.
The client advisor was, her name's Taylor, she's in there. And so then we put two and two together and realized that this was the same person. Additionally, the lady you just spoke with, her name is Laura. The client gives a name when they come into the store, they check in. The client that stole her card gave us the name Laura.
Okay.
Right?
Gotcha.
When the card declined, she shared, I'm in a hurry, never mind, I'll just come back later. And she quickly disappeared. And then they just stood right over there. Her and another guy that was not with her in store. So he came over here and joined her here. Then after some time, she came back in, and now she's in the store reattempting her purchase.
Gotcha. Do you see the young lady? Can you point her out to me?
Yes, absolutely. She's wearing the black dress with the tattoo on her left arm.
Gotcha. So obviously her sitting. Gotcha. What are they trying to do now? Do you even know?
They said that they wanted to look at a bag. We pulled a bag out of the window. We've got one of our managers helping her who knows what the situation is.
Gotcha.
And then when we get to point of sale, but normally if a client is just tapping their card and we don't take possession of their card, we actually don't have to check identification any longer. But in this situation, Eva is going to make sure that when they go to pay with a card, that we ask for ID.
Gotcha.
Make sure that we check it, right? So likely that will stop whatever kind of foolishness they're
Yep.
trying
So I mean, it's up to you guys. You guys can continue on with whatever sale y'all are doing, or I could just intervene. So it's up to you if you guys want to just go on or whatever, or I can do whatever.
We'd like to just continue on peacefully in the store, not cause a scene. Get to point of sale. Look, if the guy pulls out a card and it matches his ID and it goes through.
Yeah, for that transaction, then it's perfect.
I can't do anything, right? If what happens is, I think is going to happen is when we go to ask for ID, they're going to be like, we don't have it, and then they'll be like, all right, we'll come back, and then they leave, and then maybe that's when maybe you can. Yep.
So we'll do it that way. Whenever they come out, I can. I'll just go ahead and talk to them. Do you have your ID on you?
I do.
Now?
Yeah. Let's see. There you go. I'm like, man, I had to run and go get it, man. I was like, it's been a day.
Holidays are coming up.
That's right, yeah.
There you go.
No, never. Not once. Immediately like that? No. Yeah, it's never happened to me. It's never happened to me. Usually the criminal's long gone by the time the person gets it.
I'm just worried about
Yeah, I know, right? Because who knows that? They probably have like a card reader where like they can just scan it, maybe. That's all I know.
Good. It looks like they're coming out, so I don't know if they made the
maybe they got. It looks like the transaction went through, so maybe
perfect.
there's no issue. Okay.
Perfect.
All right, thanks. Give me a call.
Yep. Excuse me. You mind if I talk to you guys for a second?
Sure.
You mind if I talk to you guys?
Yeah.
So here, let's get out of the way. So earlier, were you here and made a purchase on a credit card? on
No.
American or tried to make a purchase?
No.
No. You weren't just here a little while ago and tried to make one and it got declined?
No.
So not you. Are you sure? Where are you at before there?
I just got here not too long ago meeting up my man.
Gotcha. So just a little while ago, you weren't just in there trying to make a purchase for $3,000. It got declined. You walked out, and then he joined you while you were standing over here.
You've been right next to
Yeah, but I've known her for a while. I don't know
Right.
what are you trying to get to?
Okay, so they just had a purchase here.
That was
Okay,
me.
Wow.
not just
I'm
just.
trying to get a little defensive. I'm sorry. So
Right,
what's
I get it. That's what I'm trying to explain it to you, but you just interrupted.
That's the
I was
first
just
time I've spoken since we met.
right. You just asked me for what was it getting to, and I was trying to explain the situation,
Okay.
and then you interrupted me. So I was
All right, I'll wait.
Right. So that's what I'm trying to get to. Okay. So just a little while ago, there was a purchase that was made here at Louis Vuitton. Okay. It was used with a card, and then it got declined. Okay. And so what they just told me was it was you that made the purchase, and then you exited the store, stood
I
over
was
here.
looking at a bag.
Yeah, looking at a
and
bag,
I
right.
came back. I met my man. and
Right.
Came back.
Right. So
Yeah.
that's what I was getting to, right? You just said a little while ago
I was here looking at a bag. I
Right.
was walking around.
And did
looking
you
at some
use
bags.
a American Express or Airlines card,
No.
Advantage card?
No,
No, you did not.
no, I didn't.
Okay. Do you have your ID with you?
Or what is this for? I'm confused.
Because the card that was used in that transaction was stolen.
Oh no, I don't have a card. I don't have my ID. I literally just came here to meet him.
Okay. So were you here before? Again, so back to that other question. Were you here with when he was not here?
Yeah, I was in here
Okay.
walking around. I looked at a bag,
Right,
and that
right.
was it. And then
Okay.
I left, and I met him.
So during that transaction there, like I was saying, that bag you tried to purchase.
No,
You did not try to purchase it, and you did never hand it to them. So the cameras there, and the transaction was not. Is that not true?
yeah,
Because I
no,
want you to
didn't
please
use
be
anyone's
completely honest
card.
with me, because it's not a big deal.
No,
And
I
it was-
tried to use my card, but I did not get
Okay,
anything.
so now we're
because
getting
I don't
more of the
have any-
story here,
I don't
right? You
have
see
any
what I'm
money on my
saying?
card, so,
Okay,
yeah.
so just a minute ago, you gave me like 3 different stories.
It's
Okay.
not 3 different stories.
Let
I
me-
walked in, I was looking at the
Because
same
before
bag
this,
that I
remember
wanted.
my first interaction with you when I first asked you, did you come here earlier? You told me no, that you came here
I
with
didn't
just
say
him.
I didn't come here
And
earlier.
then
I
you
said,
and then you
yes, I
kind of
came
added
earlier.
information saying that you were then looking at a purse,
Yes,
right?
I was looking at a bag.
Okay, gotcha. And then you told me that you did not make a transaction, and
I
now
didn't make a
hold on, let me finish.
transaction.
Then you told me that you did not make a transaction at all,
I didn't.
but then now you just told me that you just used your card, right? So let's get back to the real
Okay,
story,
so what's
okay?
going on now?
I just told you the card that you tried to make a transaction, because I'm just gonna be completely honest with you,
Yeah,
okay?
that's my card.
No. The card that you tried to make a purchase
I only
with.
have my card, so
Okay. Do you have your ID with you?
no, I don't.
All right. That's fine. So you have nothing with your name on it inside your purse?
I have my card, yes.
Okay. Can you take it out for me? You have any other cards inside of there? So when they look back and try to see the purchase that you tried to make earlier, will it say this card on it?
It should. It didn't go through, so
So will it? Well, it registers, right? So everything that you do, all the transactions are obviously kept in the computer system. I'm sorry if I'm boring you there.
no, I don't
Okay,
understand
so
what this
is this
about.
going to be the card?
Yes,
I'm going to
it
ask
is.
you one time.
Yes, it
okay?
is.
And honestly, honestly, we'll probably get you a long ways, right? Because we've already got a little bit tripped up in the truth
I'm telling you
story,
it is.
okay?
I just don't understand what is happening right now.
So, like I told you before, all right, I want you to be completely honest. So, there's about 400 cameras throughout this mall.
Right.
Okay. In Nordstrom, there's cameras. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Do you know what happened in Nordstrom?
No, I don't.
Okay. So, there's cameras all throughout Louis Vuitton as well. Okay.
Okay.
All right. And when you present a card,
Right.
when you try to make a transaction, it is logged.
Is law what?
Logged.
Oh,
Logged.
okay, yeah.
L-O-G-G-E-D.
Right, yes.
Okay. So when you tried to make that purchase for that bag, is this going to be the card that is registered in the system?
Yes, that's the only card that I have.
Okay.
I don't understand.
And is
what's the
this your
problem.
name that is on here?
Yes, that is my name.
What's your date of birth? All right, so since we kind of established Louis Vuitton at Nordstrom, did you go into Nordstrom today?
No, I didn't.
You never went into Nordstrom today?
I walked through there. Yeah.
So again, my question.
I walked
did you
through
go through
Nordstrom,
Nordstrom?
yes, I did. I walked
Did you
through
try to make a purchase or did you make a
No,
purchase
I did
in
not.
Nordstrom?
No.
You did not. Okay. So any other cards inside of your bag right now?
No, there
Do you
isn't.
mind if I look?
No, why do you have to look in my bag? What am I being arrested? Am I being held? Like, what's the problem? And can I have my card back?
Yes, you can have your card back.
Yeah.
1 second.
I don't feel comfortable with you taking my card information.
To be honest, I don't care what you feel comfortable of.
What is
okay?
going on? I don't understand.
Because listen, do you understand what's going on here? I mean,
Not at all, man.
okay, so again, I'll explain the story.
I've been driving over here for about an hour. I told Valerie to meet me in Nordstrom's. I came into Nordstrom's and she said, go to Neiman Marcus, and that's where I went.
So again, so I'll explain the story. Someone's card was stolen. Okay. We get the person who the card belongs to gets notification from Nordstrom. All right, that a purchase was made for $1,000, a little over $1,000. Okay. Louis Vuitton gets the person